Good day, students. For this workshop, you will be required to go and download some files, and you're going to have to follow an example. There's going to be a couple parts to this video tutorial. So each part of the exercise will have different videos and you'll have to answer some questions. But please first go to Files. In the Teams page, there will be a link to this as well within ClickUp. But if you go to Project Files, you're going to go to Revit, Workshop 1, please download both of these. Just remember, if you select both of these and you use download, it'll create a zip file for this. So just remember, you'll have to unzip the information and use it unzipped. Okay. So once you've downloaded the files, typically these get put into your downloads. Okay, so this is what we've downloaded. I'm going to say extract here. So what I would recommend you do is copy it where you want it. I'm going to put this on my desktop. I'm going to put it in my workshop folder. I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to unzip. So there's different ways to do this, but I'm just going to say extract here. Okay, good. So I'll have the two files that I'll need. The first file that you'll need to look at, this is the whole example for the whole exercise, but you'll notice that the videos are broken up into small chunks. Okay, so here's the PDF file that you would have received, and you'll need to go and reproduce this information as per this example. Okay, so if you're battling with this or there are any issues, please let me know during the class.